So today's tutorial is going to go over how to find your recycle bin. So there's two ways to go about seeing your recycle bin. So hypothetically, let's say I've gone and I've deleted something when I actually shouldn't have deleted it. So I need to go and find my recycle bin within Salesforce. So one way to do it is to change your navigation bar. So you're able to add more items, select all, and then I search for a recycle bin. Now, if you're not certain users aren't allowed to change your navigation bar, so this won't appear for you. So I'd make sure you check with your system admin about whether or not you can see your recycle bin. So we'll just click save right here. And then you'll be able to see the navigation, recycle bin show up in navigation. We haven't deleted anything, so there's nothing there. Org recycle bin, there shouldn't really be anything there, but if you were to delete something here, that's where it would show up, and you can press restore, empty your org recycle bin. It depends on your user access as well. So the other way to see your recycle bin, if you don't have the ability to go and change your navigation bar, is to go over to the little dots over here, your app launcher. You can search for it right here, recycle bin. Alternatively, you could just select it. So if I was to select here and click view all, a new window would appear. And down here, you'll see your recycle bin. So you can click that and it'll take you to this page as well. So those are the two ways you can go and access your recycle bin. Sometimes system admins might have it set up that you're not able to do that. So I'd always check with your system admin whether or not you have the ability, but you can, the two ways to add if you are a system admin and you need to undelete something for a user is either adding it as a tab along your navigation bar or going to the app launcher and selecting your recycle bin from there. So that's it for today.